today we talk about how to import the goods from China without an agent. If you are an experienced buyer, you may do not need an agent to help you handle the importation process. But if you are a newbie, you may need to consider if you need an agent or not. Let's talk about the step for how to import the goods from China. Step 1, you need to find a supplier first. How to find a supplier? There are some ways to find suppliers. Like many customers may use some website like Alibaba or 1688 to find a supplier. And some customers also choose to go to the exhibition like the Canton Fair or the EU market to find the suppliers. And step 2 is how to make the payment. If you already have the suppliers, you have to discuss the payment terms with them, and you may need to pay about 30% or 50% deposit to them and pay the balance payment to them before the goods was shipped out. In this case, you need to find a secure payment methods to ensure the safety of the payment. Step 3 is for the product quality control. Some customer may want to make sure the quality is good. So they may ask a third party to go to the factory to inspect the goods before they make the final payment. If the goods is okay, they will make the balance payment to the supplier. Also, some customer may have questions for the factory. They may want to know this factory before they make the payment. So in this way, before the deposit payment, they can arrange a factory audit. They can ask a third party to go to the factory to do the factory audit. Step 4 is the shipment. You also have some shipment choices. For example, if you just buy only one simple items, then you can ask this supplier to ship the goods for you. If you buy a lot of products from different suppliers, then you can choose a shipping agent. They can help you consolidate the goods from different suppliers, and finally they can make only one shipment, one shipping invoice to import your goods. Even you are an experienced importer, you may also need an agent. For example, you may need an agent to help you to consolidate the goods from different suppliers, and you may need a third-party warehouse to help you do the repacking and also the quality control. Also, for some customers, they do not have the purchasing department, and they have a lot of products to import. Thus, they may need an agent to help them to source the products and handle the purchase. This can help them to save the time and cost. Also, some customer may also want to buy some products that is not related to their main product line. For example, some customer may do the hotel business, but they may want to buy some small daily use items. Thus, they may need the help from an agent. So from all of these steps, you can see this is just a simple process for the importation. If you want to see more details, you can look at our below videos. Some customer may need some bundle packaging service. The customer, they order each separate product from their own supplier, and they ask the supplier to ship this component to our warehouse, and we will do the repacking work, and we will consolidate different products into like a set, and we can help customer to order the packagings like the stickers and the bags and also some packaging material. But some customer may worry about the coordination with the supplier because they need to coordinate the shipping time with suppliers. If the supplier ships the goods to our warehouse earlier, there will be a large storage fee. So some customer may consider to ask them to purchase the products for them because we are Chinese and their suppliers are Chinese. So it is easier for our Chinese to contact the Chinese suppliers and to coordinate them the the shipping with the supplier, and we can save the storage fee for customers. Normally for such order, they will be shipped out like a whole container. That's the final customer no need to repack these products in their destination country, because this can save their labor cost and also the time. To doing this kind of work can also help save the custom taxes, because when they ship each component in the container, they declared in another way. But when they declare the whole product as a site, the custom taxes is reduced. Normally, such bundle packaging cost is about $1 to $2.